Ever wondered how to create a Facebook page? It's easier than you might think. In our digital age, having a Facebook page is crucial for businesses, brands, or public figures. It's like having your own stage in the vast world of social media. A Facebook page allows you to reach a wider audience, engage with your customers directly, and boost your online presence. It's an essential tool to carve out your unique digital footprint. Ready to create your own Facebook page? Follow these simple steps. First, log into your personal Facebook account. You might wonder why you need a personal account to create a page. The reason is simple. Facebook wants to ensure real people are behind the pages, reducing chances of spam or fake pages. Once you're logged in, look for the Create button on top of your homepage. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu where you'll select Page. You'll then be asked to choose a category that best describes the purpose of your page. It could be a business, a brand, or a public figure. Next, you'll need to fill in the basic information. This includes your page name, category, and a brief description. Be sure to choose a name that's catchy yet relevant and a description that accurately represents what your page is all about. Now that the basics are set, let's move on to the fun part: customizing your page. A customized Facebook page can effectively reflect your brand's identity. To start the customization process, let's add a profile picture. This could be your brand logo or any image that represents your brand. Similarly, the cover photo should be something that captures the essence of your brand. These visuals are vital as they are often the first things visitors see, playing a key role in attracting and engaging them. Next, let's move to the About section. Here, you can provide essential details like contact information, your website link, and if applicable, your operating hours. This section is crucial as it helps visitors understand what your brand is all about. To gain initial followers, don't forget to use the Invite Friends feature. This will help you build a community around your brand. Congratulations, you've created a Facebook page. Remember, the key to a successful page is regular updates and audience engagement. Creating a Facebook page is just the beginning of your online journey. There's a whole universe of features to explore, from crafting engaging posts, sharing compelling photos, to hosting riveting events. Remember, the key to a vibrant Facebook page lies in frequent updates and consistent interaction with your followers. This is your chance to build a community, to share your story, your journey. With your new Facebook page, you are ready to connect with the world. So go ahead and make your mark.